Hey guys, MTB Brad here, and today I'm just doing a bike check on my Rocky Mountain Altitude LA30. So I'm just going to tell you all about it and just the specs and all that on it. RockShox Yaris at the front with 160mm travel. And at the back we've got the RockShox Deluxe RT shock with 150mm. With Rocky Mountains we have the Ride 9 system, and here I have the Ride 9 system on my Rocky Mountain Altitude LA30. For the bars we got Raceface Chester 780mm wide bars. For the brakes we got SRAM level brakes. The rear derailleur is SRAM NX. For the shifting, SRAM NX. For the rims, we got Durock 30 rims. SRAM hubs, nice and noisy. For the dropper, Raceface Effect dropper. For the saddle, WTB Volt Race. For the rear rubber, Minion DHR 2 by 27.5 by 2.4 width. For the front rubber, Minion DHF 27.5 by 2.5. This bike was supplied to me by Cycle Station, so check them out on Instagram at Cycle Station.
What? Yeah, Brad!
Wow!